Hey, it's Aja. I am coming at you today from the absolute ending point of my day, by which I mean as soon as I finish this video, I am going to take a shower and go to bed. Like, shower, bed. Video, shower, bed. Bah, just like that. 모른 척 해주고 싶지만 더 이상은 못 참겠어 난 모두 알아 이리 와봐 더 이상 날 피하지 말고. The reason I'm making this video for you today is because yesterday was my 1-month anniversary with my locks, and I didn't film it yesterday because my Sundays are really busy. I start with Korean class in the morning, then right after that ends I go to church, and after church there is I don't have an after church thing that I have to do every Sunday, but I usually either have dinner with my church buddies, or I have date night. So yeah, my Sundays are packed full of action, but today is Monday and I went to work, went to the gym, ate some dinner, and now I am here to talk to you about my 1-month update. So I have a few things that have changed already from the 1 week to the 1 month, and I'm not just talking about the amount of frizz on my head. So first of all, remember what I said about the itching and how I don't have that? I have an extremely dry scalp now. It itches like a mofo, a lot. And it seems like even though I've tried different things that people have suggested as far as moisturizing, like aloe gel or spray, rose water, different oils, I've tried some things and it's weird. The only thing that seems to work as far as fixing the condition of my scalp is to completely wash my hair and then do what I normally do. So I have to wash my hair even more often than once a week, which already is kind of a lot for me, but I have to wash my hair 1 to 2 times a week. And I do braid and band my hair for washing, because I have noticed some slipping only along my edges. Only these have seemed to slip, but it's enough to make me cautious. Right, so that's the first thing, is that itching is in fact a problem. And it seems to be that my scalp is itching because it's dry. And it seems to be that I can't seem to find a way to moisturize my scalp that works unless I completely wash and strip off whatever's on my hair first. Speaking of which, you might want to know what's usually on my hair. Hold on, let me take a trip to the bathroom and collect the things. Right. So, as I mentioned already, I'm washing my hair about once every 5 days or so. And here are the things that I do with my hair after washing. So first of all, I don't use conditioner, but I do use leave-in conditioner. So I wash my hair with whatever's the most strippingest thing that I can find. I do strip my hair on purpose, and that is because I'm scared of buildup, so I need a very cleansing thing. So I'm not going to name my shampoo because I change shampoos quite a bit. And there doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason, so don't worry about my shampoo. But after I shampoo, I put oil on my scalp, just a little bit, not a lot, because this is kind of a thickish oil. I use grapeseed oil. This is just regular cooking grapeseed oil, and I put that just on my scalp. And then on my, the length of my hair, the part that's not my scalp, I put this Argan leave-in conditioner. And I use that because my mom gave it to me and it was free. But also it seems to work nicely. It makes my hair feel soft and moisturized, but not like gunky, not like ugh, you know, like not like there's something on it. It just feels like, oh, my hair is soft and moisturized. It doesn't feel like my hair has something on it. And I have noticed a difference, because if I don't put this on, my hair does start to feel a little bit crunchy, and crunchy is conducive to breakage, whereas moisturized is conducive to locking. Like, you need healthy hair for it to do stuff and lock. So anyways, I use that. And I also use what's in this spray bottle, which it looks a little funky because I didn't wash the spray bottle before I put this stuff in it. But what's in the spray bottle is rose water that I made myself. And I use that to refresh daily. Every single day after I take off my scarf, or sometimes before I put on my scarf to go to sleep, I just spray rose water all over my hair. I use rose water to dampen my hair for braid outs, which work now, by the way. Braid outs do work on my hair now. What else? Okay, when my hair starts to feel itchy, when my scalp starts to feel itchy, but like I don't feel like washing it yet, I will re-moisturize my scalp, not with more oil. I will use this, which is an aloe vera spray. Now, if you see on it, it has a giant 92%. Clearly, it's not 100%. It's not real aloe vera, like, mist or whatever. It's not only aloe vera in there, right? What's the other 8%? I don't know. I'm going to tell myself it's preservatives, because this stuff wasn't in the refrigerated section. Do I care what's in the other 8%? Nope. Not at all. Don't care. Unless the other 8% is like bleach or like drain cleaner or something, like, I don't care. And the last thing that goes into my hair, only just started going into my hair like today, is this, which is like the same thing as this, but it's a gel. Not a gel like the kind that gets hard, but a gel like a gel consistency. Like it has a jelly consistency. Can you see that? Shoop. It's very light though. But I'm using that for retwisting. And you may look at my head and say, Aja, retwisting? Where? Well, I just started today, and I've only retwisted like a couple back here, and then like some on the side, like these ones, my babies. My babies are, if you look closely at them, there's almost no braid involved in this thing. Like, my little side babies have completely decided that they're not about the braidlock life, and the braid just slipped completely out. So I've had to interlock these, like, from, I don't know, this far up. They're interlocked, and the rest is just like almost loose hair, like tangled loose hair. I'm hoping that means that they'll lock quicker than the rest of them, which are just gonna be braids. But there's like no braid here. But yeah, so I've done like 3 in the front, and maybe like 10, 15 in the back, 20. I'm not sure. All the part that's down, I tried to tighten without being able to see it, which resulted in some mistakes and some craziness. But you know, I'm already improving. I'm already getting better. I've told you how long it's been. 1 month and a day. I've told you what products I'm using in my hair. Oh, I didn't tell you what tool I'm using to retighten. So I don't know the name of this. I ordered it on Amazon. It looks like this, and if I can find it on Amazon again, I will link it. But basically, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Not a lot bigger, but it's a bigger tool than I thought it was going to be. It's like fatter, wider than I thought it was going to be. But I'm getting the hang of using it with my few like locks that I have retightened. I'm getting the hang of using it, and I like it, I think. Anyways, I'm not gonna spend another $20 on another tool, so I better like it. I just washed my hair yesterday, which is, it's extra frizzy right now because of the wash. But I figured I would rather wash and then retighten than the other order, because I just felt like if I retighten on dirty hair, am I locking dirt into the like center of my lock, you know what I mean? But unfortunately, the other problem with that is that, you know, I worked out today, so sweat, so my hair is already like dirty again, but it's just gonna have to be what it is. My hope is to finish this whole retightening by the time I step off the plane in America. I think it's time to show you guys what I'm working with. So first I'll show you the very back so you can see like what I've already tried to retighten. You can kind of compare that to like this, which hasn't been done. Mind you, I have not seen the back of my head yet, so if that looks like trash, I'm editing it out. Alright, so here's the rest of my hair, what I'm working with. The rest of this has not seen any kind of retightening in the 1 month since I started. So you can still see my parts, but like not very well. And I'm trying not to mix my hair, my untightened hair, with the hair that has been tightened. So alright guys, I am falling asleep. I don't even know if this video will be any good. It's probably not, but I'm gonna upload it anyway. I'm gonna edit and upload it regardless because 1, y'all need content. 2, I filmed this as close to my actual month anniversary as I could. And 3, because you know, even if this isn't a good video, I'm putting in effort, okay? The fact that I'm awake right now is effort, and I need that to matter. So this video is going on the internet. If y'all have any kind of questions, things that you would like to know about my locks, about myself, about why I started my lock journey, about how many locks I have, like anything at all that you would like to know, you should ask me, because you know my comment section is mad dry. It's dry. Like, ask me questions, or you know, offer me advice, because a lot of y'all who come to my video are following the Braidlocs tag, and y'all already have Braidlocs and have had them for much longer than me. So I am so open to advice. Like, please tell me what I am doing wrong or what I should be doing or anything of the sort. Yeah, so bye. And 3, you know, even if this isn't a good video, I'm putting in effort. Ow! That hurt.